Hello, welcome back. So today it is 19 degrees outside, but in my house it feels like a greenhouse. Hay fever's hit me like 10 tons of bricks, and my nose doesn't know whether it's blocked or if it's running. So if you can hear a difference in my voice, it's that. It's not a cold, it's not the flu, which I thought it was. I thought we're dying. But yeah. Today we're going to be reviewing, swatching and testing the brand new Huda Beauty Lip Contour Stain in shade Cinnamon. I'm so excited to show you this because it really does not budge. It doesn't go anywhere. It isn't moving, it isn't transferring, nothing, any of that. And I've never known a makeup product to do that. They always claim it, but they never come through with it. So it comes in 8 different shades, which I'm going to insert images of whilst I just give you a breakdown of what it's supposed to do, or what it claims to do. It claims to be an easy to use, long lasting lip stain and lip liner hybrid that's smudge proof, kiss proof and transfer proof for 12 hours. This no bleed lip stain is highly pigmented and ultra comfortable for all day wear, revealing a natural matte finish that won't budge. The innovative double-sided felt tip liner allows for effortless application to line and define with precision and glides on easily. Based on a consumer panel of 30 people, 97% claim that it's easy to use, agreed that the lip stain didn't bleed outside their lip line, and 90% agreed that the lip stain had a precise application. I do plan on trying the other shades, but for now I just got Cinnamon because I feel like that's the one I'd use the most, and the reviews from the nudes were that the browns had a pink undertone and they were too pink looking, so I decided to go for the Cinnamon because browns and reds are definitely my kind of lip liners. I don't really feel like pink I can pull off too great, but I will try them eventually. I haven't done my base makeup because I'm constantly having to blow my nose and hay fever problems. What else do I need to know, I hear you ask? Well, I'll tell you. It's a dual-sided felt tip liner, not a double-sided one. I know I said double-sided, but it is actually dual-sided, which means it's the same tip, but there's multiple ways to use it, which I'll go through in a minute. Easy to overline, ultra pigmented and infused with argan oil. So moisturising. I started by lining my top lip. I was actually quite surprised at how difficult I found it at first. I think it was just because it was my first time using it and I felt so under pressure. But I love the colour, the pigmentation, the colour payoff and how easily it blends as well. I was surprised by that. Then I lined the bottom lip. Glides onto the skin really easily, but I will say I don't feel like it's easy to be precise with it. I feel like it's quite difficult to get that precision. That's not a flaw, that's just an observation. So after I'd applied the lip stain, I realised that I don't actually own any other Huda Beauty lip glosses or lip products. So I've paired it with the Kiko 3D Hydra Gloss in shade 10. And oh my god, I'm obsessed. Are you obsessed? I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Like, I really didn't think it'd be this good. I don't even need to do a wear test. I don't need to see if it's going to last 12 hours. I know it's going to last 12 hours or more. I am blown away. How have I never tried any Huda Beauty products before this? I've tried complexion products, but never any lip liners or lip products or anything like that. This is the start of my Huda Beauty obsession, especially when it comes to lip products, because I've never, ever, ever, ever tried anything that feels like this. It's so difficult to contain the excitement sometimes, and today is one of those times. I cannot express to you how much I love this. I literally feel like I could just wear this lip combo alone and feel like £1,000,000. Have the most confidence in my skin. I think it just looks amazing. I wasn't prepared for it to feel so weightless. I just wasn't mentally prepared. I think I was quite sceptical about this product just because there's so many on the market that claim to be transfer proof, non-budging and all these different kinds of things, and they never really live up to the claims or the expectations that people get from them. But this is a game changer. I don't know how she's done it, but I can't even tell you how much confidence I have in the fact that it's not going to budge for 12 hours. It's unreal. It does retail for £22 for 1 millilitre, which seems like it is quite expensive, but when you take into consideration the quality, the colour payoff, and how long it's going to last on your lips every time you use it, it really, really is nothing. I feel like Huda has set the tone for how lip products should be and lip stains specifically should be, and I hope a lot of brands jump onto it and, you know, realise that the way they're doing it isn't it. So as I said earlier, I am fully confident that this will last 12 hours, but let's just do a transfer test now to see if it does live up to the claims. That is literally all that's coming off. That is lip gloss only, that is not lip liner. I'm amazed. I can't, obviously, you know, by now I think we know I'm amazed. I'm blown away. So I will be posting another short just to show a proper transfer test without any lip gloss, but it's not budging, it's not going anywhere. You are going to be able to put this on at the start of the day, and by the end of the day it'll still be there. You will still look fire, you will still look amazing, okay? Okay. I think one of my favourite things about this lip stain is that no matter what skin tone you have, it's going to look beautiful on you. I think Huda does very well to make sure that she's very inclusive for all skin tones, which is something that is really important, especially in this day and age. Like, I've seen brands claim to be inclusive, but they only release about 5 different shades when it comes to foundations. So the fact that Huda has managed to accommodate for every single skin tone for lip liners is amazing, and it's exactly what we need. So yeah, that is my review on the new Huda Beauty Contour Lip Stain. I hope you love it just as much as I do. I hope if you're wanting to try it, then this is the push that you needed to go buy it, because it really, really will be a game changer for you. Hopefully on my next video I won't be feeling so rubbish and just full of cold or hay fever, whatever this is going on in my body. I feel hot and cold at the same time, and I think I've got the flu, I don't know. Feels like it could be the start of a flu, I don't know, I'm not sure, I'm not a doctor. I need to go get a doctor's appointment. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you, bye!